Imagine unlocking your Galaxy and feeling like it just understands you, your habits, your moods, your day. The wallpaper gently shifts its tone as your surroundings brighten. Your notifications arrive more intelligently, almost like they know when not to bother you. The animations are smoother, the battery lasts longer, and everything feels just a little more alive. Before watching, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Insights, so that you can get notified about daily tech updates and stay ahead of the world's biggest innovations. Now, let's dive deep into the futuristic world of One UI 8.5, the update that's not just about performance but about personality. For years, Samsung has been refining One UI into something more than just a software layer. It's a visual language, a rhythm, a reflection of how the modern smartphone should think. And with One UI 8.5, Samsung isn't just polishing features, it's reinventing how your phone interacts with you. This is the moment where design meets intelligence. The company has been working behind the scenes on an update built around real human behavior. Not flashy gimmicks, but meaningful upgrades. Tools that anticipate, adapt, and evolve with your lifestyle. One UI 8.5 isn't built for everyone. It's built for you. For your habits, your schedule, your way of using your phone. That's what makes it so different. Instead of focusing on hardware announcements, Samsung has spent months fine-tuning the smallest details, smoother transitions, faster touch feedback, and a new generation of Galaxy AI features designed to make your phone feel less like a gadget and more like a companion. And that's what makes this update so exciting. It's not about adding more, but about making everything smarter. Now here's where it gets interesting. One UI 8.5 is expected to debut with the upcoming Galaxy S26 series, likely around March 2026. It was initially planned for an earlier release, but Samsung decided to delay it, not because of issues, but because they wanted to perfect it. Insiders claim the company's been testing several new AI-powered systems across its labs, merging performance optimization, visual smoothness, and smart energy management in ways that haven't been done before. If these reports hold true, One UI 8.5 might not just be Samsung's biggest update. It might be the smartest version of Android we've ever seen. Let's start with the most exciting part, the intelligence layer. Samsung's new Galaxy AI Core is expanding. With One UI 8.5, your phone will start learning from your behavior, predicting patterns, and adapting its performance. When you wake up, it'll know which apps you open first. When you go to sleep, it'll automatically optimize background tasks, clear cache, and even reduce network power to save battery overnight. It's like having a personal assistant inside your phone that never sleeps. But the best part, all of this happens offline. Samsung says its new AI models work entirely on device, meaning your habits, messages, and preferences never leave your phone. Privacy meets intelligence. That's the new Samsung philosophy. Now let's talk about something most users never notice. Network Battery Saver. This new system has been spotted in internal test builds, and it could completely change how Galaxy devices conserve power. Unlike traditional battery savers that slow down everything, Network Saver works quietly in the background. When your phone is idle, it gently reduces network activity without affecting notifications or performance. The moment you touch your phone again, the speed ramps up instantly. You'll never feel the slowdown, yet your phone lasts longer. It's subtle, clever, and totally innovation that makes everyday life smoother. But Samsung didn't stop there. One UI 8.5 is introducing an upgraded smart clipboard. Copy something, text, a link, even a sentence from a web article, and your phone will immediately suggest what to do next. Want to summarize it, translate it, save it to your notes, post it online. One tap and it's done. This is not a gimmick. It's context awareness. It's your phone understanding not just what you copied, but why you copied it. And if you're a content creator or student, this could save you hours every week. Another exciting feature is Meeting Assistant, an AI tool designed for those who work or study online. Imagine you're in a virtual meeting, someone speaks another language, and your phone instantly translates and captions it in real time, directly on your screen. No third-party apps, no setup, no delay. It's like having a personal interpreter quietly sitting beside you, and it doesn't end there. Touch Assistant lets you highlight any text anywhere, an article, a PDF, a message, and instantly summarize, explain, or translate it. Samsung is clearly leaning hard into productivity AI this time, and it shows. Now let's move into design, because One UI 8.5 looks stunning. Samsung has refined its design identity even further. The animations are smoother, the icons have depth, and every tap feels deliberate. The entire interface now runs on an upgraded rendering engine from Android 16 QPR2, which brings more fluid motion, fewer dropped frames, and better responsiveness. The new quick panel lets you resize, reorder, and personalize toggles however you like, finally giving users control over their control center. Even the settings menu has been redesigned to feel more organized, with smarter search suggestions that guess what you're looking for before you finish typing. One of the most visually striking additions is the new dynamic animated wallpapers. These aren't your ordinary live backgrounds. They actually react to your phone's gyro sensor, creating a subtle parallax movement as you tilt your device. It's like your phone's home screen has come alive. Combine that with a smoother, always on display and a revamped lock screen customization system, and your Galaxy suddenly feels more personal than ever. Samsung's philosophy this time is clear. Your phone should adapt to your personality, not the other way around. And if you're wondering about performance, yes, that's getting a serious upgrade too. Reports suggest One UI 8.5 uses new memory management protocols that reduce RAM usage by up to 20%, making multitasking smoother than ever. Apps resume instantly, games load faster, and animations feel almost iPhone-like in their fluidity. Paired with AI-driven system optimization, even older Galaxy models should feel noticeably snappier. But perhaps the most important story behind One UI 8.5 is Samsung's renewed focus on privacy and longevity. With this update, the company plans to expand its 5-year update policy to more mid-range models. That means even if you don't have the latest flagship, your device will continue to get major updates, security patches, and new AI tools for years to come. This shift shows that Samsung wants users to stay in the Galaxy ecosystem longer, not because they're locked in, but because they want to stay. And yes, we finally have a clearer picture of the release timeline. Based on insider reports, One UI 8.5's public beta should arrive in late November 2025 for select Galaxy S24 and S25 devices. The stable rollout will begin around March S26 series, then spreading to the S25, S24, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and eventually to upper mid-range phones like the Galaxy A55 and A35. As usual, carrier and regional differences will affect exact timing. But the key takeaway is it's coming soon, and it's massive. Now let's take a moment to appreciate what Samsung's really doing here. With One UI 8.5, the company isn't just catching up to Apple or Google, it's carving its own lane. It's merging AI design and performance in a way that feels organic, not forced. Features like on-device intelligence, context-based suggestions, and dynamic customization show that Samsung is moving toward a more human-centered design philosophy. Your Galaxy phone isn't just a device anymore, it's learning to be your digital twin. So is One UI 8.5 worth getting excited about? Absolutely. It's the kind of update that redefines expectations. Not because it changes everything at once, but because it improves the experience where it matters most. The little details that make your phone feel alive. From smarter battery management to immersive visuals and next-level AI productivity, this update isn't about more settings or features. It's about connection. A deeper, smoother, and more personal connection between you and your device. In a world where every phone looks similar and every company promises AI, Samsung is showing that the real revolution isn't in hardware specs or flashy slogans. It's in making technology that quietly adapts to you. One UI 8.5 isn't just the future of Galaxy software. It's a glimpse into how smartphones will evolve over the next decade. Smart enough to know you, yet private enough to protect you. So what do you think? Is One UI 8.5 the smartest step Samsung has ever taken, or are you holding out for One UI 9? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Samsung's latest update, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next breakdown. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.